Welcome back to the new video, friends. Today's topic is how to change display size in oppo phone. Guys, you want to change your display size in oppo phone, so you can change. In this video guys, I will show you how to change it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys, come on display and brightness. Guys, click on font and display size. Guys, display size you want to change, so you can change guys large size, then we will apply. So the display size has changed in our oppo phone. So I think friends, we have understood how to change display size in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.